My name's Toth. I work as an ecologist with the South Florida Water Management District. I've been with the district for 32 years. My primary role and responsibilities is to help to manage the vegetation within the stormwater treatment areas, so in that way contribute to the restoration of the Everglades. On my best days, I'm out in the field, in an airboat or in the water, making sure that we have the proper types of vegetation out there and that it's functioning in the manner in which it's intended. When I was a little kid, I didn't know what I was going to eventually end up being, but the school that I went to had a fisheries and wildlife program. And as a kid, I remembered one of the highlights of my life was going fishing with an uncle of mine. So the fisheries program interested me, and that got me into ecology. The challenge of managing the vegetation in the stormwater treatment areas is really a daily grind. It's almost like being a farmer. You have to tend to your crops on a daily basis. I've really enjoyed the experience in getting involved with restoration of the Everglades. It's an honor for me to have the opportunity to tell the world about what we're doing here in South Florida to try to help restore the Everglades. Get experience, get any kind of volunteer to get out there and get your feet wet, get in the water. That gets you energized, that gets you wanting to do more and gets you more and more interested in understanding and learning about the field. And that will be your foot in the door in terms of eventually getting a job in the field and making a contribution.